What takes a lot of abuse, breaks, and always seems to ruin your race or ride day? Yep, ball joints. And when they break, they always seem to take out valuable components. The way I look at it, you can either pay now or you can pay later. It's an expensive gamble to take, especially if you're going to go racing. So we figured we'd just cut to the chase and get the best ball joint system money can buy. It's almost like the ATV and the UTV manufacturers messed up, and their poorly built design got looked over and went into production somehow. Over time, it just became accepted, and this is what the ball joint system has been. Keller ball joints aren't pressed together. They're threaded, rebuildable, and just look at the difference. They're huge, big and beefy, greasable. They use hardened bodies and stems, all made from 4340 chromoly. They're adjustable and come with rebuildable boots. Awesome design, so impressive what they've done here with this system. Here's how the Keller ball joint system goes in. You're really going to like this. First thing, you'll need to remove your stock ball joints. We didn't have a press, so we just rented this ball joint press set from O'Reilly Auto Parts. It's basically free. You give them $117, but you get your money back if you return it. They give you 48 hours. It worked great. Included is a nice set of directions. Also, look to the descriptions of this video, and I will leave a link to a nice little video of Todd Keller demonstrating how to install his ball joints. Our new Super ATV A-arms have a good thick powder coat, so we had to do some filing. Lucy was unimpressed. Lucy, however, took interest when it was time to install the ball joint base. This is not how you're supposed to do it. A press would have been much better. You should find a shop with a press and install yours properly, but I can confirm we got it in without damaging anything. But unfortunately, with all the hammering, Lucy Dog lost a little respect for her owner. Next, drop in the pin and install the cap. We'll torque this down later. You'll adjust the pin with a 1/4 inch Allen until it stops, then back it off a 16th turn. Be sure the pin moves freely. Then tighten the jam nut. Next, we install the boot and secure it with a zip tie. With the A-arms attached to the machine and the ball joint knuckles attached to the carrier, torque the cap to 150 foot-pounds of torque and the jam nut to 80 foot-pounds of torque. If you ride in wet or muddy conditions, you might consider putting some anti-seize on the threads. Next, you'll want to grease the ball joints. This needlepoint tip is the hot setup to get plenty of grease in the boot. Check out some of the other videos we've done on our Project Mighty RZR series, and why not subscribe to the channel? It's just a quick click. Keller ball joints come with a 90-day full warranty. Break it and they'll send you a new one.